This next outfit, I've got on some blue jeans, and I tend to go more for black jeans in autumn winter just because I find them a little bit easier to style. But I do also love how blue denim looks, especially when styled with a black belt, black boots and a black bag. So I'm going to start off with a jumper. This is another cashmere jumper from Everlane. In fact, it's another cashmere jumper dress. So again, I've tucked it under my bra and then just tucked the bottom bit in to the top of the jeans. But there's so many basics like this around. Obviously, it doesn't have to be cashmere. You could easily recreate this look with any beigey, taupey toned roll neck. Over the top, I have got on this gorgeous checked coat from ASOS. This is beautiful. This was in my ASOS Black Friday video. Really lovely quality coat. Jeans are also from Everlane. I went for crop jeans because I thought they sat perfectly on top of the black ankle boots. But I also think this would work well with a slightly longer jean as well, just to come down a little bit longer. Got the same black belt on again, and then I've got black boots on, which are also from ASOS, and then my black Polène bag. And for jewellery, I've just changed up my hoops and popped in these gorgeous chunky cross-on hoops. And these are one of my favourite styles from Mejuri. I've had these for ages, wear them so much, and I just love how they look. I think they're a really cool pair of earrings. And then I also popped on my cross-on locket necklace again, just because it works really well styled with the earrings and finishes off the outfit perfectly.